Hi, everything EmloyConcepts, your ultimate destination for all things cake design, cake decorating, and finger foods. Whether you're a professional or a passionate beginner, our channel is dedicated to inspiring your creativity with expert tips, stunning designs, and deliciously crafted cakes. Join us and let us make every event unforgettable. Today's video is on cupcake and how we decorated the cupcake for a party animal theme. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment below. Kindly share this video. Please like, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that once we upload, you can get to know. Thank you guys, really appreciate you. Have a good one.